Do you work or do you study? This question is very, very common in the IELTS Speaking Test Part 1, and there's about a 50% chance you'll get this question. The other times you'll get a question about your home or your hometown, which you can check out in this video. But in this video, we're going to be looking at the question, do you work or do you study? So how should you answer this question? The main way is to answer directly and then add a little bit of detail and then maybe add a little bit extra at the end. For example, I work. At the moment, I am an engineer for a company that makes electric cars. In the future, I would like to start my own business. I am currently still in high school, but after I graduate, I would like to work in either fashion or design. Neither right now. I graduated last year from a course in photography and I'm looking for a career in that field, but I haven't found one yet. Actually, both. I'm working part-time as a barista in a coffee shop and I'm also studying for my PhD in marketing. So now I want you to have a go. Here is the template. The first thing you need to do, you need to answer directly. For example, I work, I study, neither, or both. Have a go. Try and answer truthfully. Do you work or do you study? Well done. Now obviously that isn't enough, so we need to build upon this answer. So if you answered work, the best thing to do is you need to say where you work at. Some language for saying this would be, at the moment I am a, or an. I am currently working in, or simply, I am a. If you answered studying, you then need to go on to say what you are studying and possibly at what level. Some language for this is, I am studying subject at level. I am still at level, high school or university, and I am currently studying subject. If you are doing both, this is a really good way to show off your language because you can say that. For example, both. I'm currently working part-time as, while also studying subject at level. If you are neither working nor studying, you need to say neither, but then say what you want to do in the future or what you are currently doing now if it's not working or studying. For example, neither. I'm between jobs at the moment, but in the future I want to try to, I graduated from college a few months ago and now I'm just taking some time to relax and I want to go travelling in the near future. Okay, now it's your turn to answer the question. Remember, answer directly and then expand. Use these tips to help you when I ask the question. Let's see how you do. Do you work or do you study? Fantastic. Well done. Now, you can always add a little bit more to your answer. If you want, it's optional. Here are some ways to do that. You can say if you enjoy the job or what you're studying or not. You can mention how long you've been working there if you're working or how long you've been studying that subject if you're studying. And if you want to be really clever, you can add a grammatical feature by then talking into the future. For example, you can say what you want to do next or what your main ambition is. Okay, one more time, I want you to answer fully and try to take about 20 seconds to answer. Remember, answer directly, expand on what you do or how long you've been doing it, and then add a little bit at the end, such as if you are enjoying it or what you want to do next. After you've answered it, maybe write it in the comments so I can have a look. Okay, last time. Do you work or do you study? Well done, really good answer. Remember, in part 1 of the IELTS speaking test, it's mostly just a little bit of a warm-up to get you used to speaking English and to make you comfortable. Don't worry about using specialist vocabulary or trying to show off, it's just a warm-up to get you comfortable. You can show off a bit more in parts 2 and part 3. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, watch this video next. Good luck and smash those IELTS exams.